Now here the question is, if a, b, c are positive real numbers and theta is tan inverse under root a into a plus b plus c upon bc plus tan inverse b into a plus b plus c upon ca plus tan inverse c a plus b plus c upon ab, then tan theta is equal to which of the following? Now what we'll do is, we'll write a plus b plus c as some value and say d. So we can write this as theta equals tan inverse under root of AD upon BC plus tan inverse of under root of BD upon CA plus tan inverse of under root CD upon AB. Now we'll use the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now we look at product of x, y, it will be under root of AD upon BC into under root of BD upon CA. Now here A will cancel, B will also cancel. We'll get this as D upon C, and D upon C is greater than 1. And when product of xy is greater than 1, we'll write this as pi plus tan inverse x plus y. So it will be under root of AD upon BC plus under root of BD upon CA upon 1 minus AD upon BC into BD upon CA plus tan inverse under root CD upon AB. So it will be pi plus tan inverse. Now here we'll take under root D upon C common, then we'll get A plus B upon under root AB, and here we'll get 1 minus D upon C and plus tan inverse under root CD upon AB. So we can write this as pi plus tan inverse. Now it will be under root D upon C, and it is A plus B upon under root AB. Now D is A plus B plus C. So here we'll get minus A plus B upon C plus tan inverse under root CD by AB. Now here A plus B will cancel. Now this under root C will also cancel. So we'll get this under root C in the numerator. Now we can write this as pi plus tan inverse and then minus under root CD upon AB plus tan inverse under root CD upon AB. Now this tan inverse under root CD upon AB will cancel. So answer to this question will be simply pi. Now here the question is, find the simplest value of cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of x by 2 plus 1 by 2 under root of 3 minus 3x square, where x belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. Now here what we'll do is, we'll let x as cos theta, and if cos theta lies between 1 by 2 and 1, then theta lies between 0 and pi by 3. Now we can write this as y equals cos inverse of cos theta plus cos inverse of 1 by 2 cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta. Now since theta lies in principal value range, cos inverse of cos theta is simply theta, and this is cos inverse, and this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we can write this as cos pi by 3 minus theta. Now we'll take minus here, we'll get 0 is greater than minus theta is greater than minus pi by 3. Now we'll add pi by 3, so it'll be pi by 3 is greater than pi by 3 minus theta is greater than 0. So this pi by 3 minus theta, it lies in principal value range of cos inverse. So again cos inverse and cos will cancel. So we'll get this y as theta plus pi by 3 minus theta. Theta and theta will cancel. So value of y will be pi by 3. So the simplest value of this expression when x lies between 1 by 2 and 1 is pi by 3. Now here the question is, find all the positive integral solutions of tan inverse x plus cos inverse y under root 1 plus y square equals sine inverse 3 by root 10. Now we'll change everything in terms of 10. Say this is theta. So we'll get cos theta as y upon under root 1 plus y square. So if this is theta, this is y, this is under root 1 plus y square, so it'll be 1. So we'll get this as tan inverse x, and we can write theta as tan inverse of 1 by y. And it'll be equal to, now say this is alpha, so sin alpha is 3 by under root 10. So this is alpha, this is 3, this is under root 10, and this is 1, and it'll be equal to tan inverse of 3. Now we'll use the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Then we'll get tan inverse x plus 1 upon y upon 1 minus x upon y. And this value will be equal to tan inverse 3. Now we'll cancel tan inverse with tan inverse. We'll get xy plus 1 y minus x, and it is equal to 3. We can write this as xy plus 1 equals 3y minus 3x. So here the value of x will be 3y minus 1 upon y plus 3. Now what we'll do is we'll add 9 and subtract 9. So we can write this as 3 minus 10 upon y plus 3. Now since x is an integer, that means this right hand side, it must also be an integer, and it'll be integer when this y plus 3 divides 10. Now y plus 3 will divide 10 for positive value of y when the value of y is either 2 or when the value of y is either 7. Now we'll take y as 2, we'll get x as 1, and if we'll take y as 7, we'll get x as 2. So there are two solutions possible in this case. First case, when the value of x is 1 and y is 2, and second case, when the value of x is 2 and value of y is 7. We'll need to simplify tan inverse 3 sin 2 alpha upon 5 plus 3 cos 2 alpha plus tan inverse tan alpha by 4, where alpha lies between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. Now what we'll do is, we'll simplify this expression and we'll write this as tan inverse, and this is 3, and we can write sin 2 alpha as 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha, and in the same way we can write cos 2 alpha as 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha, and then it'll be tan inverse tan alpha by 4. Now we'll simplify this. We can write this as tan inverse 6 tan alpha, and then it'll be 8 plus 2 tan square alpha plus tan inverse tan alpha by 4. Now here we'll cancel 2 in the numerator and denominator, and we can write this as tan inverse 3 tan alpha upon 4 plus tan square alpha and plus tan inverse tan alpha by 4. Now here we'll use the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So it'll be tan inverse 3 tan alpha upon 4 plus tan square alpha plus tan alpha by 4 upon 1 minus 3 tan square alpha and 16 plus 4 tan square alpha. So we can write this as tan inverse. Now here it will be 12 tan alpha plus 4 tan alpha plus tan cube alpha upon 16 plus tan square alpha. Now here we'll take tan alpha common. Then we can write this as tan inverse tan alpha, and it'll be tan square alpha plus 16 upon tan square alpha plus 16. Now tan square alpha plus 16 will cancel. We'll get this as tan inverse of tan alpha, and which is equal to alpha, since in the question it says alpha lies in principal value range of tan inverse. So answer to this question is simply alpha. The next question is, let cos inverse x plus cos inverse 2x plus cos inverse 3x be pi. Then if x satisfies this cubic equation, then find the value of b minus a minus c. Now we are given that cos inverse under root x plus cos inverse 2x plus cos inverse 3x, and it is equal to pi. Now what we'll do is we'll use the formula for cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. So it'll be cos inverse, and it'll be 2x square minus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus 4x square, and here on the right hand side we'll write pi minus cos inverse 3x, and which is nothing but cos inverse minus 3x. Now we'll cancel this cos inverse, then we can write 2x square plus 3x will be equal to under root of 1 minus 5x square plus 4x to the power 4. Now we'll square both sides. We'll get 4x to the power 4 plus 9x square plus 12x cube, and it'll be 1 minus 5x square plus 4x to the power 4. Now 4x to the power 4 will cancel. So we can write this as 12x cube. Now 9x square plus 5x square. So it'll be 14x square minus 1 equals 0. Now we'll compare it with this given equation. Then the value of a is 12, value of b is 14, and value of c is 0. Now we need to find the value of b minus a minus c. Now b is 14, a is 12, and c is 0. So answer to this question is simply 2. Now here the question is, if theta equals tan inverse 2 tan square theta minus tan inverse 1 by 3 tan theta, then we'll need to find the value of tan theta. Now we'll use the formula for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. We'll write theta equals tan inverse. Now it'll be 2 tan square theta minus 1 by 3 tan theta upon 1 plus 2 tan square theta into 1 by 3 tan theta. Now we'll take this tan inverse on the left hand side. So it'll be tan theta. So we can actually write this as tan theta into 1 plus 2 by 3 tan cube theta, and it'll be equal to 2 tan square theta minus 1 by 3 tan theta. Now what we can do is we can cancel this tan theta. So one of the solution that we'll get is value of tan theta is 0, which is not given in the options. Now we can write this as 2 tan cube theta plus 3, and it'll be equal to 6 tan theta minus 1. So we can write this equation as 2 tan cube theta minus 6 tan theta and plus 4 equals 0, which is tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta plus 2 equals 0. Now it's a cubic equation. We need to find roots of this cubic equation, which is x cube minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. One of the solution is x equals 1. Now we'll use synthetic division. So this is 1 and this is 1, 0, minus 3, 2. This is 1. Now 1, minus 2, 0. So we can factorize this as x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 2 equals 0. So it will be x minus 1, and then we can write this as x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals 0. So we'll get the values of x as 1, 1 and minus 2. So value of tan theta should be either 1 or minus 2, and which is your option A and B. Now here the question is, if tan inverse of A upon x plus tan inverse of B upon x plus tan inverse of C upon x plus tan inverse of D upon x is equal to pi by 2, then we'll need to find the value of this expression, which is x to the power 4 minus x square summation AB plus ABCD. Now we'll use the formula for tan inverse x plus y. We can write this as tan inverse A upon x plus B upon x 1 minus AB upon x square, and in the same way we can write this as C upon x plus d upon x 1 minus cd upon x square, and it is equal to pi by 2. So we'll get 10 inverse. Now it'll be a plus bx upon x square minus ab, and we'll take this expression on the right hand side. We'll write this as pi by 2 minus 10 inverse c plus dx upon x square minus cd. Now pi by 2 minus 10 inverse x is cot inverse. So we can write this as cot inverse c plus dx upon x square minus cd. Now cot inverse x is 1 upon 10 inverse. So we can also write this as 10 inverse x square minus cd upon c plus dx. Now here we'll cancel 10 inverse with 10, and then if we'll cross multiply, we'll get a plus b into c plus d x square, and it'll be equal to x to the power 4 minus cd x square minus ab x square plus ab cd. So we can write this equation as x to the power 4 minus summation ab x square plus ab cd, and it is equal to 0. So value of this expression, x to the power 4 plus x square summation ab plus ab cd is 0, and that's your option B.